Yeah, welcome. I'm Larry by name, and I want to welcome you to this training. I quickly want to run us through our new platform for VTU services where you can do data subscriptions, Airtime, GOtv, and the likes. If this is your first time, I say you are welcome, and if you are our existing customers, I say you are also welcome. So, let's go straight to the platform. So you go to your browser, either Chrome or Mozilla, whichever browser you are using, or Opera. So then go to the search bar and type the website address is datuhub.com.ng. Don't forget datuhub.com.ng. I want you to see it here. datuhub.com.ng. So if you don't put the ng at the end, it will take you to our previous platform, our first platform. So this is our second platform. Now the previous platform is on hold for now. We're having some challenges on the platform, so we decided to pause the operations for now. So this is the new platform so that we can serve our existing customers who have been on the previous platform, and also to have new users on this platform as well. And this new platform will also serve us more better compared to the previous platform. On the previous platform, you can only do data subscription, but on this platform, this new platform, you can do data subscription, airtime, and others. So, ooh la la. So here's the website. So immediately you get to the website, you can scroll and have a walkthrough on the website. So you can check the about us and the footer page and the likes. So, but without further ado, let's sign up. So you click on sign up button here. You click on the sign up button, then it will take you to the registration page. Take you here, then you click on proceed. To ask you for email and your password. This is login page, so you click on register now. If you're an existing user, you just enter your email address and password, but if you're a new user, you click on register now. Then it will bring you this page, then you enter your details. So let me enter my details. Your first name is your name, your last name is your surname, then the email address you want to use. Let me use this email address. So enter your phone number. Let me use this phone number. Then create your password. So this is a training account, so I'll just use a simple password, but make sure you don't forget your password, and I don't advise you use your date of birth as your password. Don't use something that people can easily guess. So, and try and mix it up with capital letter, small letter, and some special characters. So I'm typing the password. So I'm done with the password. So then you click on register. It said email address was already used, so I'm going to change the email address. I've used the email address before, that's why. So I'm going to change the email address to something else. Okay, give me a few minutes. So I change the email address, register. You can see immediately it shows sign up was successful. You can decide to save your password in case of next time, and then so you click OK. You can see you can see that the registration has been successful. So click on OK. So you are to set. So an activation code has been sent to the email address, so I will have to quickly go to the email address to check for the activation code. So I'll be back. Still waiting for the activation code. Still looking for the activation code. Okay, if you can't find it in your inbox, you can also check your spam box or junk box, as the case may apply. So here in this case, I found it in my junk box. So I'll have to tell my email that this is not a spam. Okay, so I've copied the activation code. So So then I'll paste the activation code back here. Then I'll click on activate. So now the account has been activated. So I'm to set my transaction pin for the platform. So you have to set your transaction pin. Transaction pin is different from your password. Password is for logging into your account. This pin is like your ATM pin. You understand? So whenever you want to perform any transaction, you will have to input this pin. It is for security purpose. Some people might just pick your phone, and maybe because you have saved your password on your browser, they can log into your account and perform, fraudulent activities on your account. But with this pin, even if they want to carry out the fraudulent activity, if they don't have your pin, then they will not be able to complete the transaction. So you have to set your transaction pin. It's just 4 numbers. So I'll be using a very simple one because this is a training account. I can change it after now. So now click on proceed. Make sure you use something simple, but don't use 1 2 3 4. Don't use 0 0 0 0. Don't use all those simple pin that people can easily guess. So now I have logged in. So immediately you logged in, you see that you have been granted a welcome bonus of 10 naira. If you look at your screen here, you see you have a welcome bonus of 10 naira. So now the first thing you need to do is to fund your account. as you will all know, there's also what we call KYC on every platform now. So you can decide to do your KYC by, I want to look for where you say. So if you click on, sorry, I'm coming. So to do your KYC, click on profile. At the down side, you click on profile, then click on update your KYC. So when you click on update your KYC, it will ask for your NIN number. So you enter your NIN number. Immediately you enter your NIN number, it said, I want you to read this, please verify your identity. You are not using your NIN for fraudulent activities. It is a must for us to be able to generate an automated funding account for you. It's just like you want to open OP account. They will ask for either BVN or NIN. It is a standard now. So for you to have an account, a bank account on this platform, you need to submit your NIN. So we want to assure you that we don't store your NIN details. Once successfully sent to the CBN, your NIN info will be deleted from our records. So you put your KYC, your NIN here, then you update the record. Immediately an account will be generated for you. Immediately you input it, an account will be generated. You click on update KYC. So now let's go to another place I want to show us. So if you click on the menu at the top, I want to change the color. So if you see the menu here, so you can see the menu. You have your profile, you have contact us, you have about us, you can see our services. It will bring you here. So if you want to buy data, you want to buy airtime, so you can click on any of them. So then I want to show us. So if you want to fund, you click on deposit. Look at here at the top screen, you click on deposit. Okay, so I quickly want to show us how to fund your account on thatweb.com.ng. So there's basically 2 methods of funding on thatweb.com.ng. So but the first thing is that you must first of all add your NIN to the account so that it will generate a static account number for you. So you can do that by going to profile. Once you click on your profile at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you see it will now bring you where you are going to options where you're going to have your NIN. So this NIN, it is not we that is collecting the NIN from you. It is our payment gateway that is collecting the NIN from you for them to generate a static account number for you. It's just like you want to open an account with PalmPay or OPay or any fintech online. You discover that it's either the request for your BVN or NIN, and then most often times they will request for the two. It's either they put BVN as your stage 1 and they put NIN at your stage 2. So which means it is compulsory because it's a law from CBN, from Central Bank of Nigeria, that all virtual accounts must be linked with NIN. So that is the reason. So once you have added your NIN, then it will automatically generate an account number for you. So that account number that it generates for your account, you can always send money to that account for funding. However, I would not advise that you send anything less than 1,000 naira to the account, because it will attract any money you send. It will attract 50 naira charges. For example, if you send 500 naira, the person that sent 500 naira and the person that sent 5,000 naira, they will attract the same charges, which is 50 naira. So now imagine you send 100 naira, it means you will receive just 50 naira. It doesn't make sense for somebody who is doing business. You will not want to do that. So if you have funds, even if it is 5,000, on our previous platform, we have customers that used to fund 10,000 naira every week, and before the week comes out, we would have used that 10,000 naira to sell data, and before the following week, fund another one again. So that's somebody who knows about business, because it will only be one time charges, just 50 naira. So, but if you are funding small, you fund 500 today, you fund to 1,000 tomorrow. By the time you will fund like 5 times in a week, you will have dashed the payment gateway like 250 naira instead of just 50 naira. So however, it depends on your pocket actually. So I'm just advising that you should not fund anything less than 1,000 naira, but you can fund whatever you have. Sure. So you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you can see the account that has been generated for this account. You see PalmPay at the top. On your own case, it will just be one account. This one is two because it's a trading account, admin account. So you can copy that account. It's just one you are going to have. So copy the account number and then go to your bank and send money to that account. Any amount you want to fund, automatically within few seconds, let's say minutes, you refresh your account, the money will reflect. So that's the first method of funding. The second method of funding is that you choose this payment method. You click on it and click on Smart Pay. So when you click on Smart Pay, it will now bring you to another page. You can see it's loading. So but if you want to use this method, make sure that you follow the process. Please follow the process. It will generate two bank account number for you. Then you will pick one. You can see now we have GOtv 9PSB. Then the other one is Providus Bank. So look at the downside. You see our bank. So before you make transfer, you can see the charges here stated 50 naira as well. So before you make your transfer, first of all look for the bank you want to use to send money. First of all, look for it here. If you can't find it, then don't use this method. Don't use this method. So you see sender bank at the bottom. So then you see our bank at the top. So our bank, if you want to transfer, if you are transferring to 9PSB, choose 9PSB. If you are transferring to Providus Bank, then choose Providus Bank. So for example, so then the amount that you want to send, you type it here. Let's say 5,000. You type it here. So then sender account is the bank that you want to use to send the money. So you now look for that bank here. If you can't find the bank here, repeat, then don't use this money. Just go and use the generated account number on your dashboard. So let's say I want to transfer from let's say I'm transferring from PalmPay. I've seen PalmPay, whether it is Kuda, whether it is Keystone. So let's say I want to transfer. I want to choose PalmPay. Where is PalmPay? Oh, I saw PalmPay now. So this is okay. So I click on PalmPay. So meaning that I'm transferring money from that PalmPay. Then I will now type my PalmPay account number here. So once I type my PalmPay account number, then I will go to that PalmPay and go and transfer the equivalent amount that I've put here. I'll go and transfer it. So once you have transferred the money to the account, then you can now click on auto fund. It will synchronize, and once you notice your payment, then it will tell you successful here, and then you can now go back to your dashboard and you will see the money. I'm not transferring to any of the accounts. I'm just using this to show us how to fund your account. All right, thank you. So I want to use the first method, the static account. So I want to use the PalmPay account. I want to fund with the PalmPay account actually. So I'll copy, then I'll go to PalmPay. I'll paste the account, code craft. So then I'll enter 1,000 naira. I want to add note. You can decide to add notes, you can decide not to add notes. Then you make your transfer. I've made transfer to the account. You can see that this is my balance. So in a few minutes you can refresh the account and see if your account, you can see immediately my account has been funded, and immediately there's a notification on my account. You can see that you funded account with 950. I transfer 1000 naira, as I've said. 50 naira charges is constant. So, and they have added it to my balance. So, and my balance is now 1450. So this video is getting longer, so let me quickly run through the services on the platform. So you can see here our services. These are the list of the services on the platform. You can swipe to the left and you see other services that are not showing. So let's start with Airtime top up. So you click on Airtime top up, you choose network, choose top up VTU, the amount you want to top up, whether it is 100 or 1000. Please be careful, don't come and tell me that you want to transfer, you want to recharge 100 and you mistakenly type 1000. It's irreversible. Once you complete the transaction, it's gone. So I just want to use this as a for training purposes. So I'll enter my phone number, then I'll put my transaction pin, then I'll click on buy now. It's asking me, are you sure you want to purchase 100 naira airtime to this number? I'll click on yes. Transaction successful, transaction ID. You click OK. The airtime I've entered my phone, but my phone is in DND, so this is the notification. If you can see it, the airtime I've entered my phone. So that's for airtime. So let's go to data. So you click on mobile data. So these are the list of networks that you can do data on. So you have MTN, SME, SME2, Smart, MTN data. So you have SME, corporate gifting and co, on the old platform. And you also have gifting at the corporate gift. So this is SME. SME have been suspended, but still put some data offer on SME correctly. So you click on kindly choose. So you choose the data cap that you want to do, whether 1 gig, 2 gig. You can see the price. So you are the one to set your selling price. This is the rate you are going to get those data on our platform. So you are going to be the one to determine how much you are selling. Like 1 gig, maybe you are selling it at 800. You can't sell it at 800, definitely. If you are selling at 850 or 900, the choice is yours to make. So this is the rate you are getting it on the platform. It is your duty to set your selling price. Okay, so let's check another one. SME2, choose. So once you choose, you enter the phone number you want to send the data to, then you put your transaction pin like what we have done previously, then you click on buy now. I've just shown us I'm not buying data right now. So you have Airtel CG, you can choose. You have Airtel gifting, you can choose. Please note that if you are sending Airtel data, if the user is owing Airtel, you can see here, if you are owing Airtel, no data will be delivered and no refund. What it means is that if the person is owing Airtel, the data will be successful on our platform. However, the customer will not receive the data. The reason is because once you send the data like that, the way Airtel are doing their own is that the data will first of all enter in forms of airtime on their phone, then it automatically now converts to data. But because the person is owing Airtel, it will hold the money. You understand? So to hold the money, it will not allow it to turn to data. So the person will have to contact Airtel. The person will have to first of all pay up the debt. After paying the debt, the person is owing Airtel. The person can now contact Airtel. They can now reactivate that data subscription. So please always ask your customer, hope they are not owing Airtel before you perform any Airtel data transactions. Please always ask your customers this question. Thank you. So the same applies to other networks. So that's that. So if you want to do TV payment, click on it. Maybe it's GOtv. So the package will load. So you choose the package, enter the GOtv IUC number, then your transaction pin. So likewise, electricity bill. So let's say you want to do IBEDC. You choose prepaid, not postpaid, please. Prepaid. Then you enter the amount, then the meter number, your transaction pin. So I think that's that for now. So you are welcome to the Data Hub 2.0. You can click on the plus button here to fund your wallet. When you click on fund button, it will bring you to this place, and you can click or copy your account number and transfer to it. So if you forget your password or you want to change your password, you can come to profile, update password. You can change your PIN here. If you notice that somebody have known your PIN, your transaction PIN, you click on change PIN, then you current PIN, and you set your new PIN. If it is password, you click here, your old password, and then your new password. Then you change your password here. So you can also change your name the name you put down when you are registering. You can change to dark mode. You can change to the other mode. You can upload your picture on your account. So these are notifications on your account. So, and look here, lastly, you can see your transaction history. So this is the airtime I purchased, 100 naira at the rate of 98 naira, so 2 naira discount. So this was when I funded my wallet. This was the data I performed some times ago, glue data. So this place would basically display the history of what you do on your account. Then you can also come to business. You also see reports of all the things that you have been doing on your account. Business. So wallet funded so far. How many transactions have I performed? 3. You understand? So MTM mega data, no. So this is just to show you an overview of the things you have performed on your account. So you can view all your transactions here. So that will be all for now. Thanks for choosing Data Hub. If you have any issues, you can always reach out to us by clicking on the WhatsApp button at the bottom here. It will lead you to a customer service agent on WhatsApp. So this is the home page. So alright, that will be all for now. See you next time. Thank you for watching.